morning. Today is Sunday the 24th, I believe. Saturday the 23rd. And we got snow. Just the other day we were getting the trailer ready for the spring rush, you know, start doing some spring cleanups and just getting stuff ready in the storage unit. And a couple days later we have, I don't even know how much snow we got, but I'm saying about a foot already, and it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Started last night. Got the normal properties to do. I'm gonna go. I got my shovel. I think I gotta get I got my little pusher. I'm gonna get my get the smaller shovel so I could throw the snow, because it's not heavy wet, but it's sure as heck getting it's just so much. It's not pushing it that easy. I'll be using the Toro 721 shovel. I got the plow, got the 8-foot Fisher on the straight blade on the truck, and this is gonna be fun. Oh, I'm gonna record as much as I can, and we'll be shoveling and plowing for a couple hours, and then probably go get something to eat, hang out until it stops snowing, which is supposed to be later tonight. So I'm gonna go do a round, get everybody opened up, cleaned up, and hopefully get some calls. Hopefully get some calls on like last minute thing, you know, because I got my customers that I do regularly, but always hope for stragglers. That's that bonus money. But with that said, I'm coming up in here. I'm gonna get my shovel, and then I'm gonna go start doing something. Hopefully and not get stuck. Well, we're out here on the main road. Like I said, we got several inches. It's pretty bad. It's Saturday morning. Behind this loader here, back behind me back there, there's one of the township dump trucks full of salt and a plow in the front. He's stuck in a ditch. I thought this guy was gonna pull him out, but he just kept going. But yeah, the roads like this looks like it's been recently plowed. Side streets are at least a foot of snow. It got to be a foot, depending where you at. I'm in Queensbury, Glens Falls area, upstate New York. I'm gonna get a coffee and then start working. This guy's going nuts. It is a little slippery. It always is. The temperature's around 26 degrees this morning. You already know the plow truck comes through and it plows. This stuff just keeps getting run over by the vehicles and all that, gets matted down, and it becomes slick, 4-wheel drive or not. Definitely keep safe and give yourself plenty of time to stop when in these conditions. Just common sense most of the time, and then just being a little extra vigilant, you know, make sure that these people are gonna stop when they got the stop sign, or they got a stop light. Make sure that they're stopping. I mean, sometimes you see them slowing down, but they can't stop. They'll slide right through. You got to be aware of that and see what you could do to maneuver around it to avoid the accident if you can, you know. But like I said, we're getting ready for spring cleanups. I haven't done any yet. I've got a bunch of customers secured for cleanups. Just had I was gonna pull the trigger this week, but as you can see, that's not happening. Like someone told me once, welcome to the Adirondacks, where you can have like all 4 seasons in a 12-hour period, like, and it's the truth. It could be 20 degrees in the morning when you wake up, 25 degrees. Midday, you'd probably reach the 50s, and then by dinner time, you can have a snowstorm. I mean, it's crazy. I enjoy the seasons. I enjoy the 4 seasons. I love summer, but when winter hits, I think I love this stuff. I enjoy working in the snow. Always have as a youngster. I mean, we used to go out shoveling snow, walking around, me and a couple buddies, making a couple bucks, you know. And I don't know, here we are 20 years later, still doing it. Probably 30 years later. And I have a large coffee, two creams, and an apple fritter. That's it. Thank you. Morning.
It's 5:40.
Thank you.
A receipt.
No.
Have a great day.
Take care.
Thank you.
So, like I said, the shoveling of the snow. I mean, I don't think anybody enjoys shoveling snow. I like working in the snow or handling the snow. I don't like physical labor. I'm not an idiot, you know what I mean? But I enjoy I'm looking at a message here from a co-worker from my regular job. He's working night shift, so I believe he just got home. He just got home and he's showing me pictures of the guy that plows the parking lot over there at the job. Has plowed somebody in. They must have parked in the area where they're not supposed to park. They implement winter parking, and a lot of guys don't listen to that. You got people stuck everywhere. I can't pull them. That's a Cadillac, a Buick. I'm not even gonna attempt. I mean, I love to stop and help people, but at the end of the day, you cause some damage. Look at this. I'm at 4 high, and I'm having to work a little to come up this slight hill. But I enjoy it. I like driving in it. I like driving in it when I don't have to drive in it, if that makes sense. I mean, if I'm on my way to work, I hate it because everybody drives like maniacs. But like now, I feel, I mean, even though I have to drive, I gotta get to my destination here, obviously. But I'm on my own. I feel like I'm on my own time. I got stuff to do, but it's more on my time. I mean, I could be a little more lenient and laid back on stuff, and I'm out playing in it all day. You know what I mean? It's not like I gotta go to work and you get in your car, you get to work, and that's it. And then you come out, and then there's like 10 feet of snow on top of your car, and then you gotta work like a madman to do stuff. I got some cars here. I don't know why, but. Today. They took the trash that they had here, the construction guys, they took the trash out from that area so I could plow there now. And that's good. That's a good deal. Got a marker there because there's some kind of a pipe or something sticking up out the floor. I don't want to, definitely do not want to hit that. I'm calling it a pipe, but it's like it's a pipe. I don't know if it's like a breather. Breather, some kind of access point to shut off water or gas or something. So definitely a lot of snow come down. Trying to get this one nice and cleaned and get the sidewalks done and put off to the residentials. This is the only commercial I have. Got rid of the porta potty there. Put the pile here, start lifting. I can. This probably should be the last snowstorm of the season. You could. Said. I'm gonna stop it right here. It's day 2. I'm not exactly sure how much snow we got. Gotta be 20 plus. Upstate New York. Gonna go tidy up the properties and salt a little bit because the temperatures were down. They're supposed to go up today, but we'll tidy them up, put a little bit of salt down if needed, and make it a day. But first, I'm gonna pick up a coffee and then we'll get to it.
Ariens 24 Deluxe, 9 horsepower engine, making it look easy.
Now here's the aftermath of yesterday's storm. We went from having no piles to massive big ones. We got stuck in them a couple times. Just the ground was wet. The ground was wet, man. Ground was wet, muddy. Just starting spinning my tires. Yeah. I know what he did with that right rear. I did the same thing with my left rear last year. Yeah, all my properties are done, tidied up. I helped a couple people. Helped a couple people for free. Definitely feels good to be able to help. I mean, we need money and all that stuff, but at the end of the day, when you help someone, it feels good. Just I saw a guy shoveling out his driveway apron he was snow blowing it with an electric snow blower. It looked like he got the driveway pretty much good, but that apron where the township plows you in, you ain't doing that with no little single stage electric blower. Since I wasn't using my 2-stage, I let the guy use it while I was working on the property across the street. I was just tidying it up with a shovel. I let him use it, and he took care of it. He was very appreciative, and man, I know how that feels, and it felt good to be able to do that. It felt really good being able to do that. And plenty of times that I wish somebody would do that for me when I'm standing there with either a shovel or like not being equipped with the tools. You know, it just feels nice when people are good. Pretty sure he didn't expect it. It just felt good doing it. And another time I finished up one of my properties, and as I was leaving, the guy's looking at that pile of snow behind his car. On the apron there, township just plowed them in. I mean, it's not like they could do anything about it. They're doing their job. But I asked him if he would be okay with me just giving a quick swipe just to push it out of the way, and he was very happy that I even asked. And like I said, it just feels good being able to help. I got the plow on the front. I mean, I just went over and I knocked down that big wall of wet snow that's gonna turn to ice soon if we don't do nothing about it. Knocked it down, and he was able to clean it up a little bit better with his shovel. I just took off. It's not all about money at times. I mean, as much as we need it, it feels good to help. Right now I just pulled over. I got some empty buckets back there that I don't want to lose, so they were just in an awkward position that if I hit a bump or something, I might lose them out back. Right now I'm about to head home, use the facilities maybe, and pick up my wife and get something to eat, get some lunch, and start tackling my, what do I call them? Start tackling the customers or potential customers that called for service. And I had to take care of my clientele first. I'm all done with that. And now I'm gonna get some food in me and go down the list of the people that called and see if they still need service. If they do, I'll go give them a swipe, clean them up, make it look good, and get paid. Well, I hope you guys had a nice weekend. I hope everybody's doing good. I don't know if you noticed, but we got a new camera. Got this new camera. I'm trying to use it. I'm trying to learn how to use it. We'll get better. We'll be getting better with some time, I guess. But bear with us. Bear with me as we learn. I'm gonna go ahead and call this place. Put the order in for my sandwich so I can go pick it up. I'll get back with you guys.